Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable and use cheats in Rimworld. To do this, first we'll need to click on our menu, navigate to the options and inside activate development mode. When it's activated, you can click on one of those buttons, specifically this one, and then you will see all of the options available. For example, we can kill basically anything by just clicking on that option and then clicking on anything that we want to kill. We can also spawn items, and for that we need to find them right here. And I think we can spawn the pawns if you want, but the items, spawn the full thing stack. That means it will spawn the entire stack of an item, for example piano right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.